you embed it in all of the smartphones and enable indoor navigation, indoor and also outdoor.
Okay. How easy it will be to embed the software that you have here on this big box into like a software-defined radio so you don't have this box, so it runs on a server?
Yeah, basically this box is currently set up on the terrestrial site, but it will be launched into satellites in LEO by next year.
Oh, you're going to launch it in LEO?
Yeah, through SpaceX.
Have you heard?
Okay.
Yeah, it's based on the this kind of image.
Yeah.
And if you have some suspicion, I can take a picture, new picture.
So you can just plug. We have it for Apple, for Google Pixel, and for Samsung.
Nice.
Yeah, it's finally the solution to being a
Plug my face, right?
Right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. You're watching TechEDTV from the Mobile World Congress. We're at the 4YFM area with all the startups, and we're ready to start. Watch TechEDTV. Now in Spanish. Okay. Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Estás mirando TechEDTV desde el 4YFM, 4 años en el futuro, con todos los startups en el Mobile World Congress. Gracias por mirarme. Estás mirando TechEDTV. One more time here, we're at the 4YFN here at the Mobile World Congress, and vibrant startups. We're going to check out and interview the top 20 awards. Started with awards that have been selected by a group of renowned judges.
Todo esto viene de nuestra experiencia de realizar videojuegos formativos durante varios años, que ha dado lugar a que hemos construido una plataforma totalmente escalable y su infraestructura. ¿Cómo funciona? Pues aquí os puedo explicar. Una vez que entráis ya se puede acceder a novelingostudios.com, os registráis y la primera opción que os da es rellenar ese formulario. Vosotros podéis decir exactamente a la empresa qué tipo de historia o videojuego formativo queréis crear. Solo con poner un videojuego sobre ciberseguridad, por ejemplo, ¿vale? Pues automáticamente te va a generar 3 ideas sobre eso que hayas puesto. Podéis subir también un documento, un PDF, un PowerPoint, lo que queráis, para que solo
Can you tell me more about Up.AI? I saw you guys pitching yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
So basically you're like a local LLM for NPUs in mobile phones, is that right? or smart TVs. Tell us more about Opt.ai and how.
Yeah, we provided on-device AI services, sort of software solution to the company. So if a company has their own model and their own device, we can make it as new services. Like if a telecommunication company wants to make it customerization for the customer, we can serve the model to them for making LLM to fit into that kind of task, and we can make it optimized on their hardware. If they want Android service or iOS service, we can optimize on their own chip.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our main product and that's our main solution.
Do you have any demos that we can see?
I can show you the demo and LLM.
Let's take a look at the model.
Yeah, what I say is about LLM, and it seems like a chat GPT, but it runs on.
But it's running locally on device.
Yes, because
no Wi-Fi, no internet.
No Wi-Fi. Yeah, I turn on and I turn on.
Airplane mode on.
Mode on, and what kind of question you want? Whatever it is, okay.
What do you think about? What do you think about? Let's say some for like. What do you think about algorithms for search?
Could you tell me that again?
Yeah. What are the best algorithms for search in O1?
It's not.
What are the best algorithms for search in O1 speed?
O1 speed?
Or complexity?
Ah, okay. Complexity.
All right, see what happens.
O1.
Yeah.
You see? The best word for one is free.
Not bad. Hash tables. It's correct. It's pretty correct.
Yeah, pretty correct, and you can see.
Excellent correctness.
Yeah, and the other.
And how big is the model?
How big is model?
How big is the model?
Yeah, how big?
How big?
Yeah. It's like what, like
Llama, right?
Yeah, Peso Llama, 1 billion model, so we compress. Yeah. Llama 3, Llama 3.2, yes.
So I can load Minimax or whatever model I need. I can load any model, like Quen 3 or.
Yeah.
Support that.
Great.
And now we are move on to VLM. Have you heard?
Okay.
Yeah, it's based on the this kind of image.
Yeah.
And if you have some suspicion, I can take a picture, new picture.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
We believe you.
Okay, thank you.
We'll believe you.
And this is our yesterday breakfast, and I just wonder what it is. Actually, it influenced it not accurately, but it makes sense. I don't know what.
Okay.
Yeah, please describe the image, and the image should play with this that appears. Yeah.
Can I ask a question about how many calories you think there are?
Oh, great.
We're gonna ask the question: how many calories? How many calories are in this dish?
Great question.
The inference, if it does any a little bit of analysis, try to identify all the components and.
This is.
Oh no! 50 to 100, 300 to 500.
Makes sense, right?
Makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense. It's not a crazy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Did you guys win? Are you guys in the finals?
We failed, but
no, you didn't fail. You say great. I love that's why I met your COO over there.
Yeah.
So I recorded him. So I wanted to show a little bit more of your product. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Keep us posted. Thanks for watching TechEDTV. We just interviewed some guys from Opt.ai, very interesting company from LG University. Here they have even other countries like Korea, I guess from Palestine. They have AI plus water, but I don't know what. That's Korea Water Resources too. A lot of people from Korea. Oh, you're busy on the phone. So thank you. Yeah. Interesting information, and I'm very interested in water. This is like cipher data. Hey guys, what do you guys do?
We develop electronic products. We are developing our first own product. Is if you have a smartwatch,
Okay.
you will probably know that the battery is the main limitation of them.
Yes.
Okay, and you have to remove. Usually you forgot about charging. You know what I.
Oh, yeah, I got it. I know.
Yeah.
I know what's going on. I have that problem.
So we developed this charger that you can just plug.
Oh, so you better put it on your band.
Yeah, you can do your regular life. You can go.
Wait. So,
walking.
but did you modify the wristband too?
No, we modified the band.
Oh,
okay?
the band
It's
itself.
The booster and the band.
Okay.
But the watch is exactly the same.
Okay.
So you can just plug. We have it for Apple, for Google Pixel, and for
Oh,
Samsung.
nice.
Yeah, it's finally the solution to being able to use this kind of smartwatches.
Excellent. I love it. I love it. It's very interesting.
This is the Samsung one.
Okay, and you have to have that. Okay. Is my recommendation for you for usability is that you remove like the aspect on that, and then kind of like have like basically a way to like grab it and then just staple it. You see what I'm saying? Like this is what like what's behind this? Nothing.
No record this.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's your secret sauce. I see it.
We have it patented, but
It's a patent pending.
yeah, it's a patent.
When do you
pending.
file it?
With the first one, we have two. One for the general product, okay, that is basically the
Right.
the availability of plugging on the band.
Yes.
We started with the Spanish patent 2 years ago,
Okay.
and we moved it to European patent, US patent, and Japanese patent 2 months ago.
Oh, okay, got it.
And we just started a new one for the charging procedure. Okay, the technology that we use for charging. To substitute like the regular charger, we started
It's
with
different.
European it's a different one. We
Okay.
started two months ago.
And you are Juan, the CEO, or yes?
I'm the CEO and he's.
And you're
the
both
CTO.
technical?
Yeah, we are both engineers.
Nice.
Electronic engineers.
Great. I love your product.
Yeah.
I have a patent on magnetic charging.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look it up. It's, Edwin Hernandez on USPTO. He has like 300 references, but it was called magnetic button connector. So I know exactly your tech.
Your name is?
Edwin Hernandez. I'll give you my business card.
Okay.
You guys are watching TechEDTV. It's here, like very interesting stuff. When do you think it's coming out of the market?
That's the news.
That's the next problem. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
The news.
We will launch at 4 in Kickstarter.
Today?
Yeah. Today is the day.
At 4 p.m.
At 4 p.m. Spanish time, that is 7 a.m. Eastern time in the US.
Okay.
We are launching on Kickstarter, and
There you go.
ideally, January of next year, we'll have the first 1,000 units, okay? For
Okay.
early adopters, and next summer, we will start with the mass production.
Okay.
worldwide. And if you want, you can support us also in Kickstarter.
I will definitely find a way to support you. Although I'll be here, so I'm not sure if I will remember. But I'll do my best to remember.
You can take this if you want.
Thank you. Yeah.
There on the QR is a link to
To the Kickstarter campaign. Okay. Give me
And a
one
contact,
second.
so you don't forget.
Okay. Cool. So the same. Oh, this is Jose and Juan, right?
Yeah.
Both are co-inventors in the patent.
Then?
Or are you both the inventors in the patent? Or?
Yes.
Excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you very
I
much.
love it.
We cross our fingers because today is the day we are really nervous.
All right. Don't worry. I think you're gonna do great.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
You guys are watching TechEDTV.
So it's, at the moment it's international channel.
We're looking for more startups here to interview to see what they got. Cybertronics Limited. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. How's your indoor navigation works?
Good.
What's your name?
My name is Daniel. How can I help you?
Hi. Can you tell us more about your indoor navigation system here? Your startup R.
Sure. What we are doing is Arrive.
Well, let's just start. Arrive. Okay.
Arrive, yeah.
Okay.
What we are doing here is at the end of the day we are using computer vision.
Okay.
We make a digital twin of a building. with LiDAR scan.
Okay.
And then we take a picture on point cloud, map it with a position from your mobile device.
Okay.
And then we localize you and can lead you from A to B. If
you have a demo
we
there?
have a demo here. So we have it on app or on web.
Okay.
So it's loading.
Is that ready on the App Store?
The app is on the App Store, yeah.
Okay.
So we have to make a demo here for MVC. We need to load the map now. We fetch it.
Okay.
It's here. Now we have to localize you, which is normally a little bit more camera picture.
Okay.
For that. You see it here on that screen.
Right.
Now it has you.
Okay.
And from that we can say, okay, where you want to go. Let's go to the seating area, for example. And then you can start navigation.
Oh, okay, great. That's pretty cool.
You just can walk.
That's pretty neat. Yeah.
Around that corner.
Yes, I like it. Very cool.
We also have it on the web, so
Okay.
no need to download an app. And our target group is aviation industry, so malls or airports.
And how about like, can you like OEM it? Can you like license it?
Yeah, it's our own.
So your own code?
Yeah, we built it. We started this 2020.
Okay.
And have 4 years of development and research inside.
Okay.
And now we're starting rolling it out slowly for the operators of airports or operators of malls.
Okay. And how's your business model work? You charge a licensing fee, or how do you make money?
On the one hand side, with the implementation, that's all the setup fee.
Okay.
And on the other side, a typical SaaS model based on usage.
Great. I love the product.
Yeah, it's
very interesting.
It's great, but
I don't know why there haven't been more people around you here. It's one of the. You're solving a very big problem, especially location-wise.
It is location-wise, but I think
especially indoor location.
The main problem is you need someone to pay for that.
Yeah.
And another person will not pay because it's expecting. So you need the business model behind the operator side. And what we are doing is we're covering maintenance, localization of self-driving vehicles, the whole onboarding of the team, and the customer journey. We are not starting, we are solving your customer journey problem.
Right.
We really start, where is your problems?
Right. And tell me, like, where else are you? Besides, you're in Germany, or where are you based?
We are based in Berlin. And this is a project which we just did in Paderborn.
Okay.
Where we showed on last Thursday the whole journey from you get to the airport, you're gonna get your ticket and you start. I have no clue why it's not running.
Oh, okay. It's not working. The Wi-Fi here, I bet, sucks, right?
Yeah, but you can see that on our website.
Okay.
And it really shows you how you can go to the security gate, what you have to do after the security gate.
Oh, okay.
And
all the steps.
Yeah, and that's exactly the special thing, because with the public services you can go to an airport,
right?
But you cannot pass the security control.
Right. All right. Thank you for watching TechEDTV. Thank you.
Welcome.
We're looking at weird. Sounds weird, but anyway. So you're powered by Mac. You are French.
Yeah, we're a French company. We have invented a whole new technology that enables indoor and outdoor tracking seamlessly.
Okay.
We basically are using a VHF signal, combining with some chip like this.
Okay. So you need this like an RFID sort of chipset.
Yes, that's our own technology, so it doesn't use any RFID, but
it's your own tech.
Yeah, our own tech. Yeah, proprietary, and you get 1 meter accuracy by crossing 15 meters of concrete.
How much is that?
The global set for equipping 90,000 meters square is 50K.
But you can detect everything.
Everything. Load workers.
So as soon as I have that, you know where I am.
Yeah.
Precision.
Yeah.
It's like an indoor GPS.
Yes, exactly. Our ambition is to miniaturize it into this module, to embed it in all of the smartphones and enable indoor navigation, indoor and also outdoor.
Okay. How easy it will be to embed the software that you have here on this big box into like a software-defined radio so you don't have this box, so it runs on a server.
Yeah, basically this box is currently set up on the terrestrial site, but it will be launched into satellites in LEO by next year.
Oh, you're going to launch it in LEO?
Yeah, through SpaceX, and we won't need any more that kind of antennas. So the whole thing will be operated like GPS works today.
Oh, but for indoor. But how do you? Oh, because VHF you can go through walls.
Yeah.
And then
We
go into
do have an algorithm embedded in it that enables us to discriminate the multipath and so on.
Nice. So it's a new GPS system.
The new GPS working indoor and outdoor.
It's a weird GPS system.
Yes.
Sounds very interesting. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching TechEDTV. Tell me about your security chip. What does it do?
Do you know quantum computer?
Yes.
Quantum computer is good for humans' life.
Yeah.
However, one of the dangerous thing is it can break the asymmetric cryptographic system.
I know, but this
RSA and ECC. So because of
in theory, right? But I mean,
yeah,
theoretically, yeah.
Because of that, there is PQC, post-quantum cryptography.
Okay.
And the post-quantum cryptography can defend against the quantum computer attack.
Okay.
Now, however, the PQC is based on the key-based cryptographic system. It means that you need to securely protect your private key.
Okay.
So usually, many vendors are storing the key inside of the device. However, we are not storing the key directly, but put it in the secure storage, which is encrypted by PUF technology. That is the physically unclonable function, and it generated automatically during the manufacturing process of a semiconductor, like as your fingerprint.
Like a ROM, basically, like a real.
No, ROM is like a saving key inside of the read-only memory.
Right.
How differently from that, like as your fingerprint.
Oh, basically you embed in every single chip. We have a little like QR code or something that is unique.
That kind of thing. The unique key is
that was physically with a laser or some special device that cannot be replicated.
Naturally generated during the birth time of semiconductor.
Right.
That is our PUF technology.
And that's what you patent. That's your.
Sure. We have in United States, Europe, and also the China, Korea. We have the patents.
So the PUF USIM is this. This is the actual physical implementation of your.
Yeah. This is the world
the
first
PQC.
PQC and the PUF-based USIM. This is the world first.
Okay. And you are part of the LG
U+, one of the biggest mobile operator in Korea.
Oh, okay. And what's the cost of this right now? Like it's still like
cost.
Yeah.
Cost is it depends on volume.
Yeah, but let's say comparable to the SIM cards that are you 10x, 20x?
We are very competitive.
Competitive to SIM cards.
Yeah. Like as the other vendors, like as the Infineon or NXP, they have the similar secure the chipset. However, we are the competitive or more competitive.
So basically, when you generate this signature, this key, you use a quantum computer to make the keys, I assume.
Exactly.
So it's like an SSL, like when you open SSL and create the key, you have an open SSL for a quantum computer sort of thing.
Yeah, right. We have the PUF key, and PUF key encrypted secure storage, and we generated inside of this chipset, we generated the private key and public key.
Okay.
We store the secure memory, secure storage area of the chipset. We securely stored the private key because of that it is the starting point of the trust.
Right.
So we are calling that because of that hardware rule of trust or silicon rule of trust.
And these keys, I assume there is no longer 148096 bytes. How long is the key? Is like how big is the key? It's like a
key size.
Yes.
We support various key, and we support all of the standard key size.
All the standard key size as well.
Yeah.
So I could even store like regular RSA keys into the chipset.
We are supporting the hybrid key-based system. We support ECC together with the PQC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
right.
the two of the
system.
Great. Is this product out of the market or you're launching
We already deployed 40 million chipsets already.
Okay.
And the Korean government is also using our chipset.
Oh, okay.
For like as the advanced metering infrastructure. And
Okay.
also we're gonna deliver our chipset to one of the biggest IT company in United States.
Oh.
And also we gonna deliver our chipset to the Samsung.
To Samsung as well.
Samsung mobile phone.
But is
right.
LG and Samsung, how do they,
Like as the Samsung is the vendor, and
Okay.
LG U Plus or LG Electronics has the like as a little bit competitor. However,
got it.
Samsung is dominating the mobile phone area.
Yes.
In Korea.
So basically, if I my subscribers see this QR code, what do you get?
You can go to our homepage and
Okay.
you can get all of the information of our technology and products.
So the G3, G5, MTB, STR are just this type of form factor. This
is the
MTV, STR is like little minute.
Yep.
And the USB module is for purchase too. You can purchase a USB module to start developing something to try it out.
USB module is on the stock also.
Okay.
First, it is used for the test method.
Yeah, but let's say
experience with our chipset.
Yes.
And we have the authentication dongle feature inside of the USB dongle.
Ah, okay.
And you can buy like as a hardware token, it can authenticate for you. And we have the fingerprint options like the FIDO.
Okay.
And another thing, and another product is module is the like HSM, hardware security module.
Hardware security
and
module.
We have 256 chipset is mounted on one.
Oh my God!
PCIe.
Yeah, I see it.
It generates the key pairs in the server side.
Oh, on the server side.
Good.
I like it.
Yeah,
I like it.
Thales and similar products.
Yeah. But you are a good competitor.
Yep.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
What's your
you.
name again, so people know who you are?
All right.
You are the CEO, or what are you?
I am CMO.
CMO?
Previously CTO.
Oh, okay.
Right.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, good afternoon. You're watching TechEDTV with Dr. E from the Mobile World Congress. Hi, hello. We're here at Antenex. Antenex is wireless testing. Tell me more about your wireless testing.
Yeah, so we develop a wireless testing solution.
Okay.
It's this black box that you can see here.
Yeah.
And the problem what we're solving is that we see that especially integrated systems where electronics and the antennas meet each other.
Right.
Integrated modules, those are really hard and very cumbersome to measure, and it takes a lot of time. So the solution that we made can make certain metrics.
Is this?
This is like an example of
Oh, it's
the
here.
person here.
Okay.
Where we can make testing a lot quicker. So
And you test like the whole signal propagation. Just like what's the difference between your box and Roland Schwartz?
Roden Schwartz.
Yeah.
So you can see here actually Roden Schwartz boxes next to it.
Yeah.
We work together with those kind of systems, and we do the over-the-air testing.
OTA testing. Yeah.
So when an antenna is connected to it. So you can place your device inside here. Like you can see here, there's like a radar module from TI.
Right.
It's metallic from the inside, and it captures like all the radiated fields in all directions at the same time. And then we process the data for you with our proprietary algorithms, like the software.
So it's basically what you're saying is that this test box that used to be dumb, just like something that you locked. It's more smart.
We make it smart, indeed, with the software that we have.
Okay.
Yeah. So the software that we have controls like the whole test setup. So it makes it really easy for the user. You just press a button and you.
Basically, in a way, it's like you make a rough comparison. Before, you had an oven that you use to heat the food, but now you have all the menu with AI. Like I want to make a souffle. I want to make so it has a temperature for the souffle. display. It's like, you know.
We sometimes even compare it with a microwave oven.
Yeah. So you have now you have a punch button that you. So your value is the tech that does this. I would say chamber smartness. So smart chamber.
Yeah, indeed.
I wouldn't market it like that. Like it's smart chamber.
We're really making over-the-air testing. We make it really easy with like the software that we have.
Yeah, great. Yeah, I would definitely think that you need a little bit of rebranding. And Antenex could be the company, but the product could have like more like a smart chamber, something simple that people will really, in one word, you're like, oh, you make this better. It's right now it took you like 3 minutes for me to, and I work on that. So it's like, anyways, but it's pretty cool. It's a very interesting product. So, what phase you are in?
So we are already selling the system.
Okay.
So we're now in the European and the US market.
Okay.
So it's already out there.
So you already sell it with Roland Schwarz, or you sell it yourself?
No, ourselves. Yeah. Well, we sometimes also sell like the Keysight or Roland Schwarz equipment next to it.
Okay. Because you do this also for 5G and 4G, or?
Yeah, exactly. Also those kind of applications.
How about if I saw a demo on Roland Schwarz for a car? Mm-hmm. You know, it's like a vehicle, like an EV.
Yeah, we're also doing that. Like we're doing telecom, satcom, so satellite communication with ground terminals and satellites.
Right.
Aerospace and defense, automotive.
Right.
We have like radar systems in automotive or adaptive cruise control.
Okay.
Those kind of systems.
Cool.
And also at universities.
And where are you based?
Eindhoven, in Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Is this a university spin-off or is?
Yes. Yeah. So we spun out 3 years ago, and we are now having a team of 14 people. We have our own office now. So.
Oh, good! Congratulations.
Yeah.
You funded, I guess.
Sorry.
You got funding already.
Yes. Yeah. We closed the seed round a little bit more than 1 year ago.
Nice. And what are you trying to get more Series A, B, C, whatever, or?
Yeah, maybe next year. So we're a little bit looking into that.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Robotics works on iOS, web, and Android. So the Raptor is not a simple channel. It's a real AI, real returns. We have active revenues, and the support of the top ecosystem players like Microsoft, Amazon, OpenAI, and Anthropic. We are building the future of investing. Let's check it together. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasser. Okay, one question from the audience, from the investors. Okay, Xavi, go ahead.
Hi, Mr. Anthony. Do you have a track record that shows that your platform can beat the market?
Can you repeat this?
If you have a track record, if you already have results showing that you can beat the market or the average investor.
Yeah, sure. So actually, we don't recommend, but our software gives you some intents to. So the final decision, of course, is the user. But yeah, we have some successfully track record of our users that are already using the app.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Big applause. We have another question. Sure.
The flexibility of your platform.
The flexibility, how you're going to protect your market share or basically, all right?
Actually, our main market is we're oriented more on B2C, but also we are working into a B2B model in order to be able to provide our platform to companies that financial. We are not a rapper or a champion. Yes, OpenAI will have a strong backend behind this because we have a lot of time with business analysis. Can select our backend. We use this and use the AI
weet wel weer vroeg wakker.
Okay, thank you very much. We got Lauren. Thank you very showcasing today. Also, you can provide a Okay, next startup is Remind. We have Carlos Bainonis from there.
QBite, what is QBite? We're building the operating system for Europe, 25 billion euros.
Qué mala suerte.
We're talking about software solution with an end-to-end basis. We work in the software as a service business model. We already have a product that's been in production for 15 years, soon as a standalone. We're already operating profitable, bootstrapping full. We're powering 2 of the top MGAs in Italy. And we move across 4 European markets. So as this juicy market grows, we have to power
you can deploy we have see the project number, right? So you can deploy the containers simultaneously to all the members, same environment.
You can declare a rule about if there is a peak time or things like that. To extend, increase mode.
That's correct. You know about it technically. Yeah.
I'm using it.
So our competition is our competitors, actually the Red Hat OpenShift and NVIDIA run AI, but our solution is very core, the sum of core. So our price is half of the NVIDIA's one. So you can adopt our solution very easily. And actually, our company is the titanium partner of Dell Technology and elite partner of NVIDIA in the Korean domestic market. So we have a lot of customers, including Samsung, LG, and other government organizations.
They are your customers?
They are because we have 10 years history, and we got actually we started our business delivering the hardware. So traditionally we deliver the server for cloud, but recently we transform to the GPU GPU-based server. But we got a lot of requests from the customer to have the resource management. So that's why we developed this solution to provide our hardware with kind of bundling solution. So yeah. So
what is the size of the company?
Huh?
What is the size of the company? How many?
We have 150 members, co-workers, and our gross sales of 2024 was 110 million US dollar. Yeah, so we are just before the IPO. We are pre-IPO stage now. Yeah.
So where are you? Where is the main quarter of the company? Where is the site of the company?
The Korea domestic market.
You are Korean.
Yeah, Korean. Yeah.
And the IPO will be in Korea or the United States?
Huh?
The IPO will be in Korea or the United States? The IPO.
IPO in Korea.
So when you say it's 110 million US dollars?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Here.
Give the space to a poor guy, man. It's just kidding.
We are just introducing our solution software because actually we are based on the hardware delivery and not our own hardware delivery. So the NVIDIA are there, but to accomplish the successful IPO, we need our own solution, which can be bundled with our partners. Yeah, that's why we are. We are planning to expand our sales to the worldwide market with our solution own in this year. So that's why we are here.
What is the size of the R&D department?
We have in R&D, specifically R&D members, 25 people. But our the business unit, including the R&D side, is more than 50.
More than 50?
Yeah.
And everybody in Korea?
Yeah, Korea. Yeah. Can I get your business card?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from?
I work in startups. You want my name?
Yeah, sure. I have a picture.
You're from the States or no? Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Israel.
You're not.
No, you are not. Basically, I'm from Israel and I'm working in startup companies.
Okay.
Israel.
No, my company is not here. I'm here by myself. And I'm looking for new opportunities. I'm a software engineer and architect. And I'm looking for a new opportunity in Spain, but I don't know if you're asked for your R&D. All your R&D is in Korea.
Yeah.
So you don't have open position in Spain.
Yeah, but I think if we're gonna need a specific market, we need the specialist for specific market. But if we expand our sales to specific we're gonna need the kind of insight from like you. Yeah.
So maybe you can get my LinkedIn and maybe connect and if you find it.
Hello, how is Twinny?
Yes.
You guys make it in Korea, Twinny?
Yes.
Is this like only for logistics or can be used for other things?
Sorry?
Only for logistics or do you have other applications? Because I see it.
Main robot is for logistics centers, but we have other models for maybe factory or in
like a local shopping malls?
Yes, but this model is bestseller.
Why?
Because the reason why customer use autonomous mobile robot is to reduce labor cost.
Right.
There are many people in logistics centers to move things.
To make it more efficient.
Yeah.
You want to make it more. You don't want to like replace workers. You want to make it more efficient.
Somebody can lose their job, but not all.
No, yeah. So you minimize that, but make it more efficient.
Yes.
And whoever is left is because they're very efficient with these robots.
Yeah.
And what's the cost of one of these robots?
Actually, our customer want to subscription model, monthly about $70 US.
Okay.
Yeah. $70 US.
Okay.
Monthly.
Oh, okay. So it's a lease.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. Very good price. And how long does it take to get one of those?
Sorry. That's $700 US.
Oh yeah, I was like 70. I was like, wow. I was like, I'll do that. I'll replace everybody in the factory. Forget about it. It's like, I'm not wanting an EMP. I want 2 guys to like handle 300 robots. Yeah, pretty cool. Thank you very much. Where is how people can get in touch with you? Tweeny.com, or is that the name of your website? What's the name of your website?
Sorry, please.
How can people get a hold of you? How can they find you? They go to tweeny.com? Tweeny.com?
Yes, Tweeny.
Or tweeny.co.uk? Your website?
Website, yeah. Website.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here, let me just put it there.
And YouTube.
We have a YouTube channel too, so we have here for you guys to check the YouTube channel or the website for Tweeny.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Watching TechEDTV. Interesting. Oh, you're bringing your camera? Or? Oh, for the pitch. Okay, you're pitching next. Oh, you are? When? What time?
1:30.
1:30. Great. Can you guys give me like a few minutes? So we're TechEDTV. What's your name?
My name is Yusong Che.
And you're the CEO of FIRA?
No, I'm like just a principal researcher.
And then your friend here, senior researcher.
Yeah.
Researcher. So what does it do exactly? Is it the product, I assume?
Yeah, this is a miniature of our new product. This is the real new product. And we're like a logistics company.
Okay.
Do you know what that is?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so this is the miniature of our product that had a CES Innovation Award and Edison Awards.
This year?
Yeah, this year.
Oh. Yeah,
and,
CES, probably I saw that.
Yeah, so well, mostly in logistics, the AMR does all the localizations, mapping, finding stuff, and docking stuff.
Right.
But what we are trying to do with this is making the facility smarter. So in the automatic factory, there are lots of docking spots which the AMR needs to be positioned in very accurate precision, like 5mm accuracy.
Right.
So this one will be attached to the wall and look at the docking spot.
Oh, so it's like, okay, so to be precise where you load everything.
Right. So this can find where the AMR is, what the position and angle of the AMR are, and it can control precisely to the docking spot.
And you don't need any LiDAR?
Yeah, no lidars.
LiDAR.
No lidars, just the vision.
It's all computer vision.
Yeah.
You're like Tesla.
Yeah.
You're copying Tesla.
Right, we're copying Tesla.
Oh, Tesla mindset. No, don't say that because...
well, actually, we got inspired with it.
You got
actually.
inspiration. That's a good way to say it.
So this one is for...
An example of this, right?
Yeah, this is for like unmanned forklifts.
Okay.
So this is a module. You can attach this to the forklift, and this will find all kinds of forklifts, including the multi-layer pallets. So the multi-layer pallets look different with ordinary pallets right here.
Right.
There are lots of colors of pallets, but there are lots of forms of pallets.
Okay.
So this one can recognize the pallet and track what the position and the angle of the pallet is.
Right.
And what this is doing is the multi-layer stacking pallets go upside when they do the stacking task.
Okay.
So if that goes up, it will follow it and keep on seeing it and how to do the stacking process.
So then move it around, tilt it.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
And then you will know exactly what the tilt is?
Yeah,
By the camera?
exactly. And that's too tilted because there's a fork here and going up.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so you have to see this side. You have to see the docking side.
So then it goes over here. So it knows exactly like
it's going exactly.
Down. So you see the object and it tracks it basically.
Yeah, it's track it.
And how fast it can go?
Well, actually, the fast isn't important because it's an unmanned forklift. It doesn't like dynamically doing the fork movements.
So, but can you adapt this for like manned forklift, for example, to kind of have like a simple buzzer for a man operator in case they're doing something a little bit rustic?
Yeah, of course. Okay. Because the mans who work with the forklift have to be high skilled during time. Yeah. So like. New employees can be supported with this.
Or maybe they go out for some partying and they drink something and they
right.
Accident happens.
Yeah,
so
accidents happen.
Good sales performance.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
where are you in the startup world? Where are you?
Oh, we're in Korea, South Korea right
but
now.
where are you in terms of money? Where are you? Like, money? Are you
Well, we have Series A in 2024.
Okay.
We're preparing Series B right now.
What was the Series A round? Like 3 million?
It was maybe $7 million.
And mostly back with Korean VCs, or?
Yeah, Korean VCs. Only Korean VCs right now. So now we're like seeking investors, not only Korea right now, but it's hard to. Yeah.
Okay.
We're coming around here.
I'm in Florida, so
yeah, Florida's good.
I can share this video with my friends.
That'd be great.
See what they're into.
Yeah.
And we can talk later. See, maybe we can help you.
That'd be so good.
Very interesting.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. You're watching TechEDTV here for FIRA, right?
Yeah, FIRA. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Are they happy? Are they don't care?
Yeah, not emotional.
Let's start over. Like basically, you are Peach AI, right?
Yeah, Peach AI.
And Peach AI is a company that creates that device that sits in all the digital signages,
right,
with a camera.
Yes.
And let's say I have like a wall, or like a paywall with 4 screens. How do you know? Can he handle multiple screens at the same time? How does it work?
Yeah, actually, we can handle every multiple screen as well, and we understand what it looks like. I mean, the gender, ages, and how long the customer stay there, and we doesn't care about how many displays. I mean, the camera. We integrate every data in one platform.
Even it could be like a fixed ad, for example. You could have like just like a printed ad. Can you measure that with a print ad?
Yeah, of course it's possible, but you should think about the price. So
right.
Printed ad is cheaper than the digital ad.
Yeah, no, but what I'm trying to say is that let's say there is a street and you have a big gigantic ad on the road. Can you do that also for vehicles?
Yeah, sure. Yes, it's possible.
But can you do it, or it's already a feature or not?
Actually, we already have some reference in the digital billboard in the street and outdoor.
Right.
On the building.
There's a billboard, so you pass by, driving your car. Some people turn around, some people don't. And maybe like 70,000 cars a certain amount of day or whatever.
Of course, we can detect the car, but inside of the car, if you mean like the people detecting inside the car, yeah, it's
more too difficult, yeah. But you can zoom in into the car and see.
No, it's a problem.
Okay. Anyhow, yeah, sounds very interesting. What's your stage? Are you funded? Very well funded? What's your stage?
Now we are pre-A.
Okay.
Pre-A stage.
Pre-seed.
Yeah, pre-A.
So how much money have you invested into the company?
Around 2.4, around $3 million.
$3 million. R&D right now.
No, we already have a customer in Japan and Korea. We are already operating.
Oh, you're already operating in Korea. Do you have customers there?
Yeah, right. And a convenience store, more than 200 convenience store, and a big retail shop. Yeah, already we have.
Okay, great. Right, good luck. Thank you very much for that.
If you're ever interested, what do you do?
I'm an investor, but I also have a channel on YouTube called TechEDTV.
Okay.
And basically, we are featuring. That's the name of the company, right? Featuring.
Yeah.
And this is the QR code for influencers to download the app, or?
It's overview to get the service overview.
Okay,
deck,
service
to
overview.
Get a deck.
And basically, right now, where are you guys in terms of usage? You have a lot of customers.
Yeah, we have quite a few customers.
Okay, mostly in Korea or worldwide?
South Korea,
okay.
And in the Northeast Asia.
Oh, okay.
But we're very open to expanding.
You're trying to expand to South America, you in the United States.
Exactly.
Okay, great. Yeah, like I said, I have a channel called TechEDTV. You're willing, you can check it out if you want to.
Great.
And then you will be there. Hopefully you will. And I'm interested in this type of platform. So tell me more, like in terms of cost. What's the cost for an influencer? Did they pay or?
It's not currently finalized right now, but we're thinking about $400 to $600 per month for SMEs.
Mostly for, so basically you're a B2B play.
We're a B2B SaaS, yes.
Okay. And don't you have, like, for example, a Coca-Cola may have to pay more than the pizza place down the street?
I'm pretty sure Coca-Cola will need the
more data, right?
would need more data and customized dashboards or customized.
And you provide all that.
We do for enterprises.
And you're based in Seoul?
Yes, Seoul, South Korea.
Great. How big is the team right now?
It's about between 50 to 55 people.
Oh, okay. You're very well funded, I assume. Then you're like a Series A round. What round are you right now?
We're currently raising our Series B.
Series B.
Yeah,
so you're ready to raise? If you want to share, how much?
I won't disclose that for now, but yeah.
But what would be your Series B raise? Like 20 million?
Yeah, around that. Yeah.
Around that. All right. So to be defined.
To be defined.
To be defined.
Yeah. TBA.
And you're the product lead of the company?
Yes.
Okay. Are you pitching here or?
No, we're not pitching.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Just participating.
All right, excellent. Congratulations. I love your platform. Sounds very interesting. I want to try it out myself. Thank you very much.
Sin frontera. Y on demand. Demanda, ¿no?
Interesting. Are you so what's the cost of making a call to your API then? Can it be like basically it can be an MVNO over GigSky?
Well, no, we are providing the service to GigSky as the customer.
Okay, so GigSky provides the network to.
Yes, so it's a travel.
So you can do like an OEM.
But they have their own core network.
Okay. But if the thing is I have access to a core network myself, then I can talk to you.
Yes, exactly.
All right, let's do that.
Okay, you have one?
Yes, I'll do. I'll give you
have to
that.
talk then.
Okay. But it's in the United States. Do you have any issues?
We are in the United States.
Where are you?
We are in Virginia.
Es NEL, ¿no?
So GigaSky is in the United States or?
GigSky, well, I can show you that.
Sí, y ahora ¿qué antena se basa en esta gente ahora? ¿En qué te conectas? Porque al final la telefonía tú sabes, tú tienes Vodafone, sí, pero pregúntale. And how work the coverture, no? In the world. How connect the antenna on different places? How works?
So GigSky have roaming agreement with multiple operators, and also have sponsored MZs. Okay. So sponsored MZs is use someone else MZ, so you benefit from their roaming agreement. So at the moment, for here, I'm using an Italian MZ.
Roaming, no?
Team Italian.
So it's your data only, right? You don't have a phone.
GigSky's data.
Okay, yeah.
Me,
no, yeah. You can use the VoIP on top of that. You don't care.
Voice, 5G, SA, NSA. I can even do a CDMA if you have a CDMA.
Oh, really? Yeah, but that thing is over. So.
That doesn't make sense.
Thank you. We're at the Korea SK Telecom booth. It's a technology related to a stress solution.
Then you have a recipe from the whole conversations that we did.
Another stack on device AI solution. So you guys are like AI on device?
Yes, on device.
So you run on the NPU?
This actually is not only NPU. It uses both NPU and CPU.
Oh, NPU and CPU, okay.
So it's running on Synaptics chips. It's our partner.
Okay.
It's Astra XL1680 chip.
Okay.
It's comprised of CPU, GPU, and their NPU. So there's two AI models running here.
Right.
It's a YouTube live stream, and we take the audio of the YouTube live stream and generate subtitle.
Real time.
Real time, yeah. So generate subtitle.
With this guy then?
No, with our own model. So this is only our hardware partner.
Okay.
The models are ours. So running on their NPU and CPU, we generate subtitle based on speech recognition. And then once generated, we take that as an input of a translation model.
Okay.
So another model can actually create a Spanish subtitle.
Got it.
So everything.
It's in the same hardware.
Yeah. So only like it requires only 150 megabytes.
Okay, that's it.
Very, very small, very small. But considering that if you ought to use these models all through cloud, it will be like gigabytes or tens
Yeah,
of
of course,
gigabytes
yeah.
of models and very expensive. So we minimize costs for our clients.
Great. And where are you guys based?
South Korea, basically all the companies here is.
No, I know, but like what city? Seoul?
Oh, Seoul, yeah.
Okay. And this is your Daniel?
Yeah, I'm Daniel. Can I scan your badge?
Yeah, sure.
What
yeah.
kind of industry do you focus in? Would you like
Media,
to stamp
actually.
too?
Yeah.
Oh, media.
Yeah.
So do you create content or do you
I create content and I create software, so I have both. Yeah.
You're based here in Barcelona?
No, Miami.
Miami, okay.
Florida, yeah.
Wonderful city.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. That sounds very cool. We may talk because I have a media platform, so obviously translation is something that is required.
Yeah, just let us know. I'll send you an intro material.
Okay.
So you can.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Take care. Oh, you face. So you can recognize any face?
Yeah, we recognize any face.
What's the difference between like YOLO 8 or one of those platforms?
Basically, you're supposed to be a techie guy because you know what they
Yeah. What's the difference?
Right? Okay, so
You have your own models or?
sure we have models. Yeah.
No, you have yours own.
Well, we have models
Proprietary models.
proprietary model we have it.
Okay.
In my company. Our strongest point of my company is to provide the anti-spoofing model. So anti-spoofing model keeps track of the real faces. So it distinguishes out the.
Oh, okay. So basically, like your level to distinguishes depth.
Exactly.
Like this face is not going to like.
So they're going to be a seven kind of attack can be accomplished. The first one is a 3D mask,
Right.
and the photo attack, and the screen attack as well.
Right.
So this kind of attack can be done anytime, So in order to block those kind of attempts, we should be able to block easily and effectively. So thanks to our system, we have a high sophisticated blocking system for the anti-spoofing feature.
Got it.
Yeah, so that's why because just by the RGB data itself.
Got it.
In case of iPhone, they're going to be a depth scan.
Got it.
But
Is it better than the iPhone scan? Like, is it better?
Sure.
Okay.
In case of the 3D mask, iPhone can be easily opened.
Really?
Yeah.
If I make a 3D mask of me, I open the iPhone.
Yeah.
But yours don't.
So that's why we provide the Android applications which supports the KYC modules which protect from the illegal access.
Okay.
So because the Android phone, all of the Android phone doesn't have any dash camera.
Right.
So it's just only RGB.
Right.
So that's why we have to make a more sophisticated detection model. We have to provide it.
Got it.
So that's why we have trained a lot of cases and attacking attempts. So we collected a lot of materials and data.
Okay.
Then we trained them as a model.
Okay.
And then we have a filter system.
So you guys call UFace?
Exactly. UFace is a middleware system for the AI inferencing system.
Okay.
Especially in the middleware.
Right.
So this is the way how I demonstrate with the real face. So if I have a real face, you will check my face as real.
Right.
This verification is successful.
Right.
What if I try to use my face? It should blur my face, right?
Right. Hold on, try again.
Yeah, so it should
Verification
be
fail with the picture that you showed, this picture.
It's me.
Yeah. And what about the 3D face then?
3D face should be look like that. So
But that's another girl. That's a different person.
Yeah, different person. So that's why she should become the real.
Okay, interesting. Thank you. Thank you very much. But it has different name here. Metkasur.
Mesa core has a combination of Mesa plus a core.
Oh, okay.
Mesa came from stand for the forest.
Oh, okay.
Which is Finnish word.
Right.
Finnish word, and the core stands for the cure.
Right,
Which
got it.
came from the Dutch.
Okay.
So invigorate the forest.
So you use that as a seed of the project.
So our system of the AI system contributes to the AI chain.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
And in terms of recovery,
Why is it dark storage?
Backpack.
So what is the ARC? How does it work?
작동이 되는 거요? 혹시 뭐 솔루션이 작동되는 건가요? 아니면은 뭐 기술이 어떻게 흐름이 되는 건지 그걸 궁금한 건지.
Well, this is a company based on the backups.
Okay.
And basically they base on the security and the
기술적 흐름이 궁금한 건지 아니면 제품이 어떻게 작동되는 게 궁금한 건지.
He wants to ask you if your question.
Yeah, why is it secure? Why is it better than me Dropbox? Why is it better than Google Drive?
차별화된 거는 일단 첫 번째로 보안이면 보안, 백업이면 백업, 이게 둘 중에 한 군데 하나만 되는데 저희는 이게 동시에 다 가능합니다. 그리고 그게 이제 가장 큰 차별점이고요.
The different point about other companies, backup companies, is that they only focus on the security or just the backup, but they are focused on the whole things.
Okay.
So they are the base of this company is the security and the backup.
Got it.
그럼에도 불구하고 구축을 하는데 비용이 다른 백업이나 보안 솔루션 대비 거의 60% 이상 저렴하고 복구 속도나 이런 것도 80% 이상 훨씬 더 잘 빨리 복구합니다.
And the another difference is the speed of 복구가 영어로
recovery.
To recover the document is faster than others and it's more cheaper.
Okay.
야, 근데 진짜 가장 큰 세 가지가 포인트가 있어요. 첫 번째는 요즘에 데이터의 가치가 높아지고 있고 그 데이터를 해킹해가는 해커들이 엄청 많이 있지 않냐. 근데 그거 혹시 알고 계시냐? 심각성 알고 계시냐? 한번 물어봤어요.
He wants to ask you the importance of the value of the documents of each
여기 저희
Hi.
Where are you from?
Spain.
I'm from okay. Thank you.
Where are you from?
Miami.
Miami.
Florida.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. Tell me, like, what's the difference between you guys? I see you have an IPFS node.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. So you're running on the blockchain then, or?
No, it's not a blockchain. blockchain 아닌 거죠.
Okay.
It's the real-time online, cloud, private cloud, where you can upload your data.
Okay.
And also you can do a backup. And we also provide recovery at the same time.
At the same time. Can you do like a Apple time machine?
Yeah, but Apple is for public.
Yeah, but Apple time machine.
Well, I don't think so.
It's only for PC.
But like this, it works like this.
Right.
So if you upload your data,
Right.
we fragment
Okay.
the data into million pieces.
Oh yeah.
And also it will be encrypted.
Okay.
And you can every single file will have a CID, which is
Right.
kind of online fingerprint.
Right.
So even though the hacker obtained this kind of data, they don't know what it is.
Right. Even if, so you guys can never recover it. Only the guy, only me.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's on your own.
So what is the IPFS? So it's similar to the IPFS method.
Yeah, it's a private service. Yeah.
Okay, it's like, that's what you call it IPFS now?
Yeah.
I got it.
IPFS를 잘 아세요? IPFS를 그러면 어떻게 좀 잘 알고 어떤 부분에 대해서 좀 이렇게 궁금해요?
이쪽으로 투자를 많이 하시는 분이어가지고
보통 이 IPFS 기업들이 해외에도 엄청 많은데 보통 웹3나 NFT 블록체인에 연계하는 것밖에 별로 없었을 거예요. 그래서
블록체인이라고 물어봤어요.
네, 그래서 시장이 작고 매출을 엄청 크게 내기가 힘들어요. 근데 저희는 기존의 보안이나 백업을 대체하고 그리고 완전 데이터 시장을 타겟을 하기 때문에 엄청 큰 엔터프라이즈로 제공할 수가 있어요. 그래서 앞으로 성장성이나 이런 것들이 비즈니스 모델이나 이런 것들이 다른 IPFS 기업이랑 완전 다르다.
Even though what he said is that even though at this moment the market of IPFS is quite small,
Right.
But we believe that will be expanded in the future.
Yeah, I've used IPFS before, and so I understand. I understand the concept that you're trying to do. It's very interesting.
Thank you.
Very cool. Can you?
Okay.
Thank you for. Oh, what's the name of the company?
Connexi.
Connexi. Oh, what? Oh, Connexi is the name of the company. Okay. I already recorded it. Yeah, video that. But if you guys want to go and get information from Connexi.
Yeah.
Connexi.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Very good company.
I think so. Yeah. Are you the owner?
So.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You sound like a shareholder. Buy all the shares. Thank you. Oh, what is this? Oh, you are QA analysis.
Yes.
For what? For AI?
For AI agents.
So you test the AI agents.
Yes. We create user personas and scenarios so that enterprises can
Test it.
test it. Yes.
Not. So you're testing AI with AI.
Yeah, exactly. We are using AI for AI.
You have an example, a demo, how it works?
Yes. So in the knowledge base, you would talk to Riley, let's say, Riley the agent, and you would
Okay.
talk about your company. So
Right.
this is the knowledge of whatever you want to tell the agent about
Right.
what kind of policies you guys have, what
To
you
make sure it doesn't hallucinate, doesn't
Exactly,
start
exactly. Yes,
inventing
yes, yes.
stuff. Yeah.
And then after, based on all the knowledge that you fed to Riley, we generate hundreds, 200s of personas and scenarios that you can use for your QA. So we don't obviously have the time to hire 200 people to test our product.
Right.
And it gets way too expensive. It takes too much time.
Right.
So we basically generate 200, 300 AI agents
Okay.
for them to test your product in a small amount of time. So with those scenarios and personas, we can also set evaluation metrics. We have a set of templates.
Hallucination check,
Yes.
objective, responsive, completeness. Okay.
And you can, everything is human in the loop, so you're able to go in and change or
How much do you charge for this?
We are actually free of charge right now.
Oh, really?
Because it's beta testing.
I want to try it.
You want to try it?
I want to try it. Put me on. Put me on the list.
Do you have a business card?
Sure. I have a business card. Let me give it to you. And you are?
I am Ijo. I have my CEO business card.
Okay.
Do you want? I can give you his.
Okay.
But I will take yours and we will keep it as well.
Yeah, tell them that I want to beta test it. They want to try it. Because I'm training some agents and I want to make sure that after the training is completed, then they're not hallucinating.
Yeah. Is this agent for internal use or external?
I don't know, probably for both.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
We will contact you.
Contact me for beta testing of your platform.
For sure.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Can you probably get a prize or something? Yeah. We're getting a prize here. We're getting very close, but we're going to interview a lot of people. Thank you.
Very soon.
Thank you. Oh, music.
Yes. Do you like music?
I love music. I have a music platform.
Music platform.
Yes.
What do you call it?
Media Music.
Sorry?
Media Music.
Oh, media music.
Yeah, it's in Florida. How does it work? Explain to us. Well, how does it work?
So we're Link Music. We provide AI-created music service, background music service.
So it's just like a Sumo AI, basically for background music.
Actually, it's not AI, it's the generation, right? The generative. Yeah, generative service.
Okay.
And we are the searching service. Finding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if I want, I'm an AI DJ and I need to create a playlist, I call your API multiple times.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, we do. API service.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your price? What do you charge? How do you make money?
Actually, API 서비스는
It's free.
But the web service is free now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For particulars,
Let me just put it
personal
here.
business is free.
For personal use.
Yeah. B2C.
Okay, let's see. It's the same link, right? No, or different?
이거 같은 링크예요? 아니죠? This one.
Oh, this one.
for
Yeah.
personal video editing.
So if you want to edit your videos right now, go ahead, click on that one, and show me a demo over here. You have a demo?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
You can try. So.
Okay, this was the result from other search.
Right.
Okay.
로그인 다시. Just a moment.
1 second.
Go ahead.
So our music is previously generated by our professional musicians.
Okay.
And they are cross-checked, big refined by other professional musicians we work with.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, when you do research,
You got background music with okay, I got it. See?
When you do search,
Right.
The program pulls the most similar, 30 most similar songs to what you're looking for from our local.
Okay.
Okay. So
It's like a playlist generator then, based on the concept. Okay, I have a coffee shop with 20 customers. I want to make sure that they don't go crazy because it's too loud, so they feel chat. But it may be so there's nobody there. I want to play something better so to get more people. Got it.
or video editors, content creators also just flip all the tracks and then the most fitting song for their video scene.
Yeah, because right now I have a couple of things where I can use your stuff. I have a walking tour channel, so I walk on the cities when I travel, and I record it. Like I said, maybe like an hour and a half. But I don't put any music background. But if I get it, like you guys always in Spain, and then you start generating music. Because right now, what I would do is go back to like copyrightless music,
of course.
guitar or something, whatever, something more related to the town. But if you guys can see the images, and okay, got it.
Yes,
I'm interested in trying it out and using it actually.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Can you put me on your mailing list or something, on your like beta testing or something?
You can actually
I'll give you my
exchange the business card with he's our CEO.
Oh, CEO. You say it's 50 minutes. There you go. Cansamina, right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, you came prepared.
No, I practice Taekwondo every day, so then at the end of the class it was like Sansamina, Cansamina. So it's like Sansamina.
Where did you take your Taekwondo lesson?
In Honduras.
Oh, Honduras. Okay. So for personal use, if it's not B2B, you can
Yeah, look, I am launching this new service basically. The media music is broadcast music for background for cable TV operators.
What TV operator?
Cable TV,
cable.
OTT platforms. So you have the channel generated.
Right.
So then I have music that I pay for what's called sound exchange in America. You pay the rights there, but I want more stuff that is generated. The difficult side is that when I generate it, I don't know how to classify it. I don't know how to search it. I don't know how to use it. So your tool could be basically I go and generate a stream, and then I put it in your platform so I can search it, and then the other agents that are creating playlists, they can come back and just pull them for you. You You follow what I'm saying? Anyway, we can discuss some technical things like that.
Yes.
Some collaboration. All right, please, thank you. What's your name again?
Joe.
Joe. Pleasure to meet you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Melly.
Melly.
Yes.
Are you also Korean?
Yes, I'm
All right.
also Korean.
Good.
Nice
Good to
meeting
see you.
you.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna fill them out with everybody. It's like, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Microalgae. AI transition service. I think we already saw one like that. But we don't have the main guys here.
Your translations are ready, and the time it takes others to get a play.
Sorry about that, guys. I was going away. Oh, I like this one. I think were you guys at CES?
Oh no.
No. Okay, tell me how does it work? Like, how many pictures do you need to make a 3D picture?
We recommend
pictures, like 25
minutes inside video.
Video.
Yes.
Video. So I record a video, and then you turn it into like a 3D Max file.
Yes.
Show me a demo.
The videos, right? And our 3D AI spatial agents creates the space viewer automatically.
And put view AI.
And it also extracts the information inside the AI, inside space.
Right.
Such as, and place it automatically also. And with the extracted information and the space itself,
right.
It's implemented in the chatbots.
Okay.
So users ask where is the